Welcome to our channel. Chegg Study provides step-by-step solutions to textbook problems and homework help from expert tutors. Follow these step-by-step instructions to maximize your Chegg Study subscription. Step 1. Visit chegg.com and create an account using your email address or sign in with your existing credentials. Select the Chegg Study subscription plan that best fits your needs. Step 2. Navigate to the search bar on the Chegg homepage and enter your textbook title, ISBN, or specific question. Chegg has solutions for millions of textbook problems across various subjects. Step 3. Browse the search results to find your specific textbook or problem. Chegg displays the textbook cover, edition, and author to help you identify the correct material. Step 4. Select the chapter and problem number you need help with. Chegg provides detailed step-by-step solutions showing how experts solve the problem. Step 5. If you can't find your question in existing solutions, use the Ask a Question feature. Take a clear photo of your problem or type it out completely. Step 6. Post your question to Chegg's expert network. Include all relevant information and any specific areas where you're struggling to get the most helpful response. Step 7. Wait for an expert to respond, typically within 2 hours but often much faster. You'll receive an email notification when your question is answered. Step 8. Review the solution provided and ask follow-up questions if needed. Use Chegg's solutions to understand the methodology, not just copy answers. Access your question history anytime through your account dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.